is something undeniably magical about a wooden sleigh. It carries nostalgia, craftsmanship, and a touch of wonder, all carved into one graceful form. Whether it is displayed by the fire, under a Christmas tree, or gliding across snowy garden path, a wooden sleigh reminds us that design can hold both memory and meaning. It is not just decoration, it is an emblem of movement, tradition, and timeless artistry. The sleigh has always been more than a vehicle. It is a symbol of passage, of journeys through time and imagination. In wood, that symbolism deepens. It becomes a bridge between nature and celebration, between forest and festivity. Every curve and contour echoes motion, as if even at rest, the sleigh is ready to glide, and that stillness in motion gives it a quiet kind of beauty. Wood transforms the sleigh into something alive with character. The grain tells its stories, lines that flow like trails in the snow. Unlike plastic or metal, wood doesn't disguise its age or origin. It celebrates it. A sleigh made of reclaimed timber carries whispers of the past. Perhaps an old barn, a broken fence, or a fallen tree reborn into something festive. That is the poetry of craftsmanship, taking what once served the everyday and turning it into something eternal. A well-designed wooden sleigh doesn't need embellishment. Its form is already expressive. Long runners that curve into elegant arcs, a seat that invites imagination, and lines that feels both strong and fluid. The beauty lies in restraint, a simple shape, balanced proportions, and natural finish. It's minimalism wrapped in tradition, modern design wearing a vintage soul. Even when it is small, perhaps just a tabletop ornament, it can capture the essence of movement, of joy, of storytelling through form. There is an elemental balance at play. Winter brings stillness and chill, yet the wooden sleigh introduces warmth, not just in color but in feeling. Placed amidst the snow, it glows with quiet contrast. Placed indoors, it anchors a space with the rustic charm. That is why it works anywhere. It harmonizes opposites. The cold of winter against the warmth of wood, the silence of snow beside the texture of craftsmanship. When you add a wooden sleigh to your space, you're not just adding decoration, you're adding a focal point that tells a story. It can hold pine cones, candles, or ornaments, but it doesn't need to. Even empty, it is expressive. It carries the feeling of arrival, like something beautiful just reached your doorstep. Placed anywhere near, entryway, it welcomes. Placed under a Christmas tree, it completes the scene. And when it is outside, touched by frost, it becomes part of the landscape, timeless, effortless, and serene. There is something profoundly human about crafting a sleigh from wood. It is a return to rhythm, measuring, curving, sanding, fitting. Every joint, every curve has intention. The maker isn't just building an object, they are shaping a feeling. Even in miniature, it is architectural. A design that requires balance between structure and grace, function and expression. It is a sculpture you can live in. When made from reclaimed wood, the sleigh becomes a statement of sustainability. It honors both the environment and tradition. Each wood carries history, the marks of time, the subtle imperfections that gives it life. And instead of hiding them, the design celebrates them. That is what makes reclaimed pieces special. They remind us that renewal isn't about replacing, it is about transforming. A wooden sleigh can exist at any scale, a full-sized garden centerpiece or a small tabletop accent. But in every form, it carries the same spirit. As the night falls and light flicker on, the wooden sleigh rests in quiet pride. It doesn't move, but it carries the spirit of moment, of tradition, joy, and homecoming. Because some things are too timeless to fade, and a wooden sleigh is one of them. So until next time, happy decorating.